Welcome back. In this video we're going to be creating the WordPress menu for the footer section. So currently if we scroll down to the footer, we've just got the unordered list that we put in the Bootstrap template. We want to make the footer menu more dynamic like the menu at the navigation bar. So let's go into the dashboard and create a new menu. So head over to Appearance and then Menus and then select Create New Menu. And I'm going to call this menu the footer menu. And then create the menu. So on the left, under the Pages tab, we can select which links we want to add to this menu. So we've not created the About Us page or the Contact Us page yet, but we can add the blog and the latest news. So select those two and then select Add to Menu. And the blog just goes above the latest news. So save that, and then if we head over to the functions.php, we can register the menu. So back into functions.php, and then look for the register nav menu section that we've done early on in the course. And then underneath this, we need to add the footer menu. So we can just copy the primary menu and then paste this in just below. So the nickname is the footer, and then the menu name is the footer menu. So save that and back over to the dashboard and then refresh the menus page. And now the page is refreshed. Make sure you're still in the footer menu and then select the footer menu tab under the theme locations and save that. And then we'll add the navigation walker to the footer file in the same way as we've done in the head section. So we'll go over to the header.php, and then if we look for the navigation bar, which is everything from WP nav menu all the way down to the closing bracket, which is just there. So copy that section and then go over to the footer.php and then look for the navigation, which is just above the social media icons. So if we locate the unordered list, and then we can delete all of the unordered list section with the About, the Contact, the Blog, and the latest news section. So delete them, but make sure we leave the outside container, and then add the PHP tags. And then within the tags, paste in the nav walker. So this one doesn't need as much information as the header one. For the menu name, this is going to be the footer. We can delete the theme location and also the depth because there's only one level. I'll just bring that up. The container is the unordered list that we deleted before. So change from div to UL. And we don't need to add the menu class, the container ID or the container class for this one. So we can remove them. And everything else we can leave as it is. And then save that. And just to finish off the footer menu, we'll add the last two pages. So go to Pages and then Add New. And then we're going to add in the About Us page. So About Us, and then hit Publish. And then Add New. And the last page that goes into the footer menu is the Contact Us page. So Contact Us and then Publish. And then add these last two pages to the footer. So Appearance and Menus. And select the footer menu. So then select the Contact Us page and the About Us page we just created. Hit Add to Menu and then rearrange these into the correct order. So the top page was About Us, then it was Contact Us, then the blog and latest news, and then hit Save Menu and then go over to the site. Okay, so it looks as though we've managed to add these pages to the top menu too. So we'll remove those in just a moment. But if we go down to the bottom, we can check if it's all working correctly. So select the blog. There's our blog section and the latest news. That looks fine. So we've not created the About Us page or contact yet. So we'll just remove these menu links from the top. So back into the dashboard. Appearance and Menus, and then select the main menu from the top And we can easily remove these from the menu by selecting them and then select and remove, and do the same for the contact us page, and then save that menu. Okay, so that's looking how it should now. So now I've got all the menus working correctly on the website. So thanks for watching. Take care.